Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I was filming Eid Makeup Inspo for you guys. So basically I want golden eyes and red lips. It's gonna be a red glam makeup tutorial, so keep watching. So first of all, before starting the makeup, I just want to take it away hair from my face. So first of all, we want to clutch. So yeah, just a second, I want to tie it properly. My hair was completely tied up, so let's start the makeup. Before starting the makeup, you have to know that your skincare was completed, because I have done my skincare. I applied moisturizer, serum, sunscreen, and my skin was completely hydrated now. So before starting the makeup, make sure you have to done your skincare properly and then start the makeup. Okay. So for the concealer, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty ka concealer. It's very nice and quite budget friendly, so you're going to try this. Or you can also skip that, because you have a very flawless skin, then skip that and go with the foundation. But I have some dark circles and I have some scars and not scars, like tan skin you can see on my forehead, and I have some pimple pigmentation. So for hide them, I'm going to use this concealer. Some little bit around to my mouth. So yeah, it's time to blending. So blending ke liye I'm going to use this beauty blender. It's very nice and quite budget friendly, and if you want some extra spongy type beauty blender, then you can go for Prosh beauty blender. Lot of product on my face because I want a very minimal and subtle kind of look. Blending is a key guys, so blend very nicely, because जितना आप अच्छे से blend करोगे उतना ही आपका मेकअप मतलब काफ़ी अच्छी फिनिशिंग के साथ दिखेगा. अदरवाइज वो केकी और क्रीसी टाइप हो जाता है ना, तो वैसा फटाफटा सा लुक आएगा. सो मेक श्योर ब्लेंडिंग आपकी काफ़ी अच्छी से हो. So yeah, I have done with my concealer. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this two foundation. This one from Mars in the shade 05. You can see properly, I guess. And this one from Forever 52 in the shade Sunday. So all those are budget friendly, and my favorite is Forever 52. It's that both foundation to get my exact skin color. So let's get started. So I'm gonna spread that like this on my face evenly. You can see. In the start of the video, I tell you guys that I want a very minimal and subtle kind of base. So I didn't want a very heavy base. I want very natural finish. So let's get blended. So whenever you apply the foundation, you make sure that your beauty blender was damn quiet, or it makes blending very nicely and gives a finish very radiant type, and gives some glow on your face. So make sure whenever you apply foundation, so blend the foundation with the help of damn beauty blender. So like this type, evenly spread this on your face and blend it properly. So I have seen a lot of videos on Pinterest regarding to this great glam makeup tutorial. I hope it's look like same, but I was trying my best. I think this foundation coverage is pretty much very good, because in first layer it's blend very seamlessly and gives me a flawless glowy base. So you can go for it. So yeah, I'm done with my foundation. It's time to the highlighting. For the highlighting, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty highlighting concealer in the shade 06. And trust me guys, pigmentation was really very good. And before applying this concealer on your face, you have to shake it properly, because it's having a very liquidy consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this and this on both sides. So you will apply it on the end. It will give a lifted look. So yeah, and little bit here around to the mouth. See how flawless this side it will be looked, and literally it's gonna be my favorite concealer because its price was literally budget friendly, and in this price we are getting this kind of product, so worth it hai. So go and buy it on my recommendation. Okay, so blending is the key, guys. Take your time to blend it properly. My under eyes was looking very brighten up, and I just loving it. So it's time to set the foundation, and the powder I was using this from Mars banana powder. You can see. Don't apply this directly on your face. Take a pizza puff like this type. Okay. Just apply it like this type. So that not all over the face, just the areas I know that I'm going to be sweat. Okay, so once it's my base is done, I quickly hop onto my eyes, and for the eyeshadow, for the eye makeup, it's very quite simple, so beginners can do very nicely and quickly, and it's very time consuming eye makeup I want to do right now. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this Prosh eyeshadow palette. It's the showstopper Prosh Beauty eyeshadow palette, and quite budget friendly, and the pigmentation, it's like wow. You can see the color story they have given. You can see it properly. So I'm going to go ahead with the shade Groovy, and applying it all over the crease. And make sure, guys, whenever you apply a transition shade, it should be a light shade, because we always apply a light shade on your crease, and in the outer corner it should be dark, and in the inner corners given a shimmer little bit. So for the outer corner I want a dark shade, so I'm going go ahead with savage shade, just little bit here. And daring shade, I was also mixing both of them. What the hell it is, yaar. Just a second, I want to fix this. So this time, guys, it's looking quite patchy, but you just take a light shade and blend it seamlessly, and then it's a game changer. It's look very nice and gives a very flawless finish, but you have to blend it properly. Okay, to hide the patchiness, I'm going to use this a beach shade from Prosh Beauty. Take it little bit, just like this type. You have to blend it. Okay, it's look pretty much good now. On the center of my eyes, I'm gonna apply this shimmer. Just pat it like this type. Just pat it, don't rub it. And I like to apply shimmer with the help of my finger, because finger have a warm. You can see looking very nice. And you want that like too much shine you want, then you can go for glitters. It gives a pretty much shine. So on the inner corner I'm gonna apply a silver shimmer and just applying it. Okay, you can see my eyes like popping out. Just like this type. And you can see your eyes was looking extremely bigger now. My eyes was little bit hooded, so I always try to look it bigger. So I have a trick to look it bigger. Just apply a little bit shimmer in the eye corner and you can see the magic. So for the lower lash line I'm gonna pick this high profile shade from Prosh Beauty and little bit applying it here like this type. Okay, so yeah, it is done and it's looking very nice and natural. So I will come back in just a second to complete this eye. So guys, my eye makeup was completely done. Now I want to put kajal on my lower lash line, so little bit here. You can see my eyes was extremely popping right now. Make sure guys you have a very hooded kind of eyes, so don't apply black kajal in your waterline because it makes your eyes very small. So always apply a white kohl in your water lash line. But don't forget guys to tight lining. Tight lining is play the most important role in your eye makeup. Okay, so it's time to the mascara. For the mascara I'm gonna use this Maybelline mascara. This one is colossal, so apply it. Adds lot of volume in your lashes and also lengthening it. From last few days I was finding mascaras good new and I was really happy to buy it. Oh yeah, so my eye makeup was completely done now. I think I am forgetting one thing, the blush. And for the blush I'm going to use this liquid blush from O2O in the shade 03 Bengal Rose, and it's quite affordable and very pigmented, so make sure take a little bit amount of it. You can see, and just apply it like this. A little bit on my nose, so blend it. You can see it's looking very nice and pretty. It gives a natural rosy pink cheeks. So I will not do a cream contour because summer is going on, so I was doing a powder contouring here. So take it little bit, dust it off, and just like this type you have to contour it. A little bit to the nose. So now it's time for the lip, and then we are all done. For the lips guys, I'm gonna use this lip liner from K Beauty in the shade Fame. So you can see this. Now it's time for the lipstick, and for the lipstick I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink lipstick in the shade Wicked 05 shade number it is. And literally guys, it's a bomb red shade, you can go for it. Trust me guys, it smells like Alpenliebe chocolate. You can see guys how beautifully it was looking on my lips, but we are not done. I think something was missing on my makeup, that is the highlighter. And for the highlighter I'm going to use this Hojo highlighter. It was very affordable and quite budget friendly, and in the shade I have purchased in the shade Golden. Just applying it little bit on my tip of the nose, on my cheekbone. So I want to apply the false lashes right now, and then I will come back. So guys, this is the final look. You can see it was completely a glam makeup tutorial I have seen on my, not exactly like that, but similar to that we can say. Tell me in the comment section guys how much you love this look. So guys, you have any questions regarding to this look, or in general also, you can comment me. I will definitely reply to all over the comments, and I will meet you really soon with another makeup tutorial. And in advance guys, Eid Mubarak to all my subscribers, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and love you all. Bye.